Turn on your cameras and dito i-point natin yung ating mga cellphones and cameras. Ayan. So ready na ba ang lahat? And of course, feeling ko naman ready na silang lahat. Let us all witness the Bruiser Beast of FKM Philippines. Walang iba kundi yan, the Glider 500S! Again, the Glider 500S. Underneath its big exterior lies an 8-valve liquid-cooled double overhead pump 4-stroke engine with a displacement of 500 cc, generating a maximum horsepower of 39.6 kWh at 8,500 RPM, a torque of 50.2 Newton meters at 6,500 RPM, equipped with EFI and a fuel capacity of 14 liters, boasting a manual transmission. This Glider 500S offers unparalleled control and efficiency. Its chassis features inverted shock in front and inflatable adjustable shocks at rear, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride no matter what the road ahead. With 100